Hi, my name is Ray Dunlop. I'm from Ladysmith on Vancouver Island, British Columbia, Canada. I've been in Chile off and on since 1980 and living here since 1997. Many years in Santiago and now living in Pucon. Just to say that the beauty and tranquility provided by the Liacura, Trancura, and Pucon rivers is beyond compare. The fly fishing is world class. Yes, you can hook onto a Chinook, Jack Spring, or Coho, but still my favorites are the phenomenal rainbows and farios called browns or maroons here. Put this all together with an outstanding guide in Andres Waikefield, and you have an experience of a lifetime. Come and enjoy. You will not be disappointed.